Welcome to this introduction to algebra. Today, we are going to explore the coordinate plane. We will learn about the origin, the axes, and how this system helps us locate points in space. Think of the coordinate plane as a flat surface, like a map. It is formed by taking two number lines and crossing them. One line goes left and right, and the other goes up and down. This grid system allows us to pinpoint exact locations anywhere on the surface. Let's start with the horizontal line. This is called the x-axis. It looks just like a standard number line. 0 is in the middle. Positive numbers are to the right, and negative numbers are to the left. Now we add the vertical line. This is called the y-axis. It goes straight up and down. Just like the x-axis, 0 is in the center. Positive numbers go up and negative numbers go down. The most important point is where these two lines intersect. This point is called the origin. Its coordinates are 0, 0. It is the starting point for navigating anywhere else on the graph. To describe a location, we use what are called ordered pairs. They are written in parentheses. The first number is always the x value, representing horizontal movement. The second number is always the y value, representing vertical movement. The two axes divide the entire plane into four distinct sections. We call these sections quadrants. They are usually numbered using Roman numerals, 1, 2, 3, and 4, starting from the top right and moving counterclockwise. Let's look at the top half. In Quadrant 1 on the top right, both x and y are positive. Moving to the left, we find Quadrant 2. Here, the x values are negative, but the y values are still positive. Now for the bottom half. In Quadrant 3 on the bottom left, both x and y are negative. Finally, in Quadrant 4 on the bottom right, x is positive again, but y is negative. Let's recap what we have learned. The coordinate plane is made of the horizontal x-axis and vertical y-axis intersecting at the origin. We locate points using ordered pairs x and y, and the plane is divided into four quadrants. You are now ready to start plotting points.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.